Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the mutation. What do you mean by mutation? Mutation is that process that alter the DNA sequence. Okay, so DNA mutation is the phenomena by which results into alteration of DNA sequence. When the DNA sequence altered or changed, automatically genotype and phenotype is also changed. So consequently, by the process of mutation, results changes in genotype and phenotype. Of an individual. It means when DNA sequence change, so genotype is also changed, and by genotype is changed, so phenotype is also changed. Okay, so we can also say that mutation is that process which leads to the variation in DNA. Okay, so mutation is that phenomena which leads to variation in DNA. Okay, variation occur in DNA in normal condition by the process of recombination. Okay, so recombination is also a process by which variation occur in in normal condition the recombination process is responsible for variation in DNA. That's why we are not looking same as our parents because of this recombination process. Recombination is the result of crossing over. Recombination is the result of crossing over. The crossing over we can see during gamete formation in meiosis 1, prophase 1. So meiosis 1, prophase 1. Okay, so for more information regarding crossing over and meiotic division, refer the textbook of Standard 11, chapter number 10. So here we can say that mutation is the phenomena which is responsible to alteration of DNA sequence. That's why the genotype and phenotype of an individual is also changed. It means the after or in addition to the recombination, mutation leads to the variation in DNA, but here are some differences between recombination and mutation. That is, recombination is the normal process which leads to the variation in DNA. So it means it is a normal process, but mutation is the abnormal process and it's a permanent change. Okay, we can see mutation in a two-way. That is, mutation are of two types. That is, first one is chromosomal aberration. Okay, and second one is gene mutation. First of of all, we discuss the chromosomal aberration. What is chromosome? We have to know first. Chromosome is the supercoiling of DNA, or we can say supercoiled DNA makes the chromosome during cell division. It means when in normal condition, when DNA thread, or we can say it is chromatin fiber distributed in nucleoplasm. Suppose this is one cell. In this nucleus is present. In this nucleus, in nucleoplasm, in this manner, the chromatin fiber is present, or chromatin fiber is distributed in normal condition when the cell is not undergoing cell division. During the cell division, this chromatin thread supercoiled and make a rod-like structure, that is called chromosome. It means, and we also see that the chromosome have chromatid. It means in chromatid, what is present in chromatids? In chromatids, DNA is present in supercoiled form. From one end of chromatid to the other. It means the DNA or DNA strand is continuous, not in a fragment or not in a segment. Okay, so in chromatid, DNA is present in supercoiled form from one end of chromatid to the other. Okay, and one more thing we have to know, that on chromosomes genes are present. On chromosomes genes are present, and genes are responsible for the trait or responsible for the this phenotype of an individual. Okay, so here now what is chromosomal aberration? When loss of DNA segment. When loss of DNA segment, loss means the process is called deletion, or we can say when in chromosome deletion of DNA segments occur in a chromosome, so it means loss of DNA segment. And gain of DNA segments, gain of DNA segments process is called insertion or duplication. Insertion or duplication. In a chromosome, because DNA is the part of chromosome, so the shape of chromosome is changed. We will see here now in diagram, the shape of chromosome is changed, which occur chromosomal aberration. It means what? The deletion and the gain of a DNA segment. Here I will make a diagram and show you that what is chromosomal aberration. In chromatid, DNA is present in supercoiled form from one end of chromatid to the other. It means what? That when cell division started, that chromatin fibers become condensed and make this is centromere of a chromosome. Like this, we can say chromosome like this during cell division. Okay, so and also here also written the on chromosome genes are present, and genes are also responsible for the trait of the trait and phenotype of the individual. So it means in normally, if I make it is like this, one chromosome is okay. Now here on chromosome, so many genes are present here. Suppose these genes are A, B, C, D, E, F distributed all over the chromosome. So in the condition of loss of DNA segment, if one segment during S phase of interphase is, suppose this segment of DNA in chromosome deleted. Okay, now so new structure or new shape of chromosome is like this. Here as B and C genes are deleted, so here only A gene, again D, E and F gene same as the earlier one. So shape of chromosome is changed. Now the one arm of chromosome is short. Okay, and one another change, how it affect the phenotype of an individual, that B and C gene is responsible for some trait of phenotype in individual. When this part of DNA segment is deleted, it means that the trait which is expressed by the gene B and C now no more expressed in an individual. So the process is called deletion. Okay, now what is gain of DNA segment and insertion or duplication? It means in normally, again suppose it is a chromosome, and in this chromosome A, B, C, D, E, F genes are present which are responsible for the character. If during S phase of interphase some segment of this DNA become duplicate, so the new, suppose this is the part, gene B and C is the part which is duplicated during S phase. So the new structure of chromosome is like this. Here A, again B, C. Now the B and C part is duplicated, so and the lower arm is as it is D, E and F. Here you can see this B and C is one more segment attached now in new chromosome. Now the structure is also changed. This time this arm become larger. How the phenotype is changed? Like here B and C genes are responsible for some traits which is now expressed in a twice, that is B, why it expressed in twice, that B and C is duplicated. Okay, so this process is called insertion or duplication. This cause deletion or gain is cause chromosomal aberration, and chromosomal aberration is a abnormal condition and it cause abnormalities in an individual. Okay, then And chromosomal aberration we can see in cancer cell. Normally we can see in cancer cell. Chromosomal aberration normally found in cancer cell. So this is all about the chromosomal aberration. Chromosomal aberration, what is meant by? So when loss of DNA segment, the process is called deletion, or gain of DNA segment, the process is called insertion or duplication in a chromosome. While this shape of chromosome is changed. One more type of chromosomal aberration is there, that is number of chromosome is changed, but we will discuss in the next part of this chapter. Okay, so it causes abnormalities, and the chromosomal aberration normally found in cancer cell. Okay, the next mutation type is gene mutation. What is gene mutation? Gene mutation, when the mutation occur in nitrogen base present on DNA. So this is called gene mutation. Gene mutation is also two type, that is, one is not two type, so many types of gene mutations are there, but here we will discuss about two type of gene mutation. First one is point mutation. Point mutation, first of all we see the example of this point mutation. The example of this point mutation is sickle cell anemia. It means the RBC structure of RBC is changed and it become sickle. But in normal human being, the RBC is by concave. Okay, so point mutation. What is point mutation? In sickle cell RBC, here is the beta globin chain. So in beta globin chain, at the position of 6, it means the beta globin chain is a polypeptide chain. In polypeptide chain, here at the position of 6, the code for amino acid is GAG. GAG means guanine, adenine, guanine. GAG is code for glutamic amino acid. But in sickle cell condition, here this GAG, instead of GAG, GUG is there. GUG, it means guanine, uracil, guanine, and this is the code for valine amino acid. Okay, so in beta globin chain, at the 6th position, instead of glutamic acid, valine is there. So it can cause the defect in polypeptide chain. So the RBC become sickle cell like this. Okay, so here you can see that at only one nitrogen pair is affected. So this is called, or we can say only at one point mutation occur. So we can say that is point mutation. So here I am writing that at only one nitrogen basis mutation occur, only one nitrogen base pair. So that is called point mutation. Next one is frame shift mutation. I am writing here as board is not having space. Second one is frame shift mutation. Frame shift mutation is here only one nitrogen base pair is changed, but in frame shift mutation here is a deletion of two or more nitrogen base or gain of two or more nitrogen bases. You got my point? Here is the deletion of two or more nitrogen base and gain of two or more nitrogen bases. It means now what is the difference between chromosomal aberration and gene mutation? So here you can say here is the loss of DNA segment, gain of DNA segment, but here loss of nitrogen bases or gain of nitrogen bases that cause the shifting of a frame. How it works? Look at here. Suppose this is the DNA strand. At this strand, all the nitrogen bases are there. Okay, now in this one, if the loss of nitrogen base is there, suppose if the G and C nitrogen base will get deleted, so the new strand, the new DNA strand is like that: adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, adenine and thymine, and the next one. Okay, so now the frame is shifted towards the right side. Okay, so it is called frame shift mutation. If gain of nitrogen bases is there, look at here the new condition. Suppose this is our original DNA sequence or DNA thread, but when gain of two or more, so here suppose this guanine and cytosine is duplicated one more time, so guanine, cytosine, again this one normal guanine, cytosine, adenine and thymine. So you can see the frame is shifted towards the left. Okay, so this is called frame shift mutation. Okay, now the reason of mutation. What is the reason or what are the factors which cause mutation? So many factors are there, but here we can discuss only physical factors and chemical factors. So factors which cause mutation is called mutagens. Here we can discuss about the physical mutagens and chemical mutagens only. Physical mutagens and chemical mutagens. In physical mutagens, X-ray and UV rays are there which cause mutation. X-rays and UV rays. Okay. Now chemical mutagens, the chemical which cause mutation, that is called chemical mutagens. And in chemical mutagens, one important mutagens is colchicine. we will talk about colchicine when we see this chromosomal number, chromosomal aberration in chromosome number. Okay, so colchicine. One more is there, mustard gas. Okay, so these are the some basics about mutation. In detail we can discuss mutation in next chapter. Okay, so this is all about the mutation which results in alteration of DNA sequences. Consequently it changes in genotype and phenotype of an individual. Okay, so mutation which leads to the variation in DNA. Apart from mutation, in normal condition recombination leads to variation in DNA. Mutation are of two types, that is chromosomal aberration and gene mutation. Chromosomal aberration, first of all we see what is chromosome. So in chromatid, DNA is present in supercoiled form from one end to the other. Okay, on chromosome genes are also present. When loss of DNA segment is called deletion, or gain of DNA segment, that is called insertion of or duplication in a chromosome. This leads to change in shape of chromosome. So this cause abnormalities. It is called chromosomal aberration. Chromosomal aberration is also found in cancer cell. Okay, and gene mutation is also two type, point mutation and frame shift mutation. Point mutation, example of point mutation is sickle cell anemia. At the one point, only one point mutation occur, and where it occur, where is this one point? So in beta globin chain at the position of 6, GAG instead of GAG, GUG is there. So instead of glutamic acid, valine is there. Okay, so mutation occur only in one nitrogen base pair, that is called point mutation. What is frame shift mutation? Frame shift mutation means deletion of more or two base or gain of two or more nitrogen base. So it leads to the shifting of frame either left to right or right to left. So this is called frame shift mutation. Okay, so now next topic is pedigree analysis.